The 2025 Mercedes-Benz Citaro Bus continues the legacy of one of the most successful city buses in the world, bringing innovation, efficiency, and comfort to public transportation. This next-generation model is designed to offer an enhanced experience for both passengers and drivers while maintaining the reliability and durability Mercedes-Benz is known for. Starting with the front side, the 2025 Citaro features a modern and aerodynamic design that reduces wind resistance, improving fuel efficiency. The iconic Mercedes-Benz logo is prominently displayed on the sleek grille, giving it a premium look. The LED headlights are sharper and more energy efficient, providing better visibility in all weather conditions. The large panoramic windshield offers an unobstructed view for the driver, enhancing safety and awareness on the road. The lower bumper integrates additional lighting for better illumination during night travel, and the wide entry door ensures quick and convenient passenger boarding. Moving to the back side, the Citaro maintains its practical yet stylish appearance. The taillights are now fully LED, offering enhanced visibility and a distinctive lighting signature. The large rear window allows for better ventilation and improved aesthetics. The rear panel is designed for easy access to the engine compartment, making maintenance simpler and more efficient. The reinforced bumper adds durability, ensuring the bus can withstand the demands of urban commuting. A newly designed exhaust system further reduces emissions, aligning with Mercedes-Benz's commitment to environmental sustainability. Inside the front interior, the driver's cockpit is equipped with the latest technology to enhance comfort and control. A fully digital dashboard provides real-time information on speed, fuel consumption, and route details. The multifunction steering wheel includes controls for adjusting settings without taking hands off the wheel. The ergonomic seating and enhanced climate control system ensure the driver remains comfortable during long shifts. The infotainment system is integrated with smart connectivity, allowing communication with the transport network for real-time updates. Passenger seating in the front section includes premium upholstery with high-density cushioning for added comfort, and LED ambient lighting creates a pleasant atmosphere. In the back interior, the 2025 Citaro offers a spacious and well-organized seating layout. The aisle is wider, making movement inside the bus more convenient, especially during peak hours. Overhead storage compartments provide additional space for personal belongings. USB charging ports are installed throughout the bus to keep passengers connected. The air conditioning system is upgraded to provide better temperature control in all seasons. Soundproofing materials reduce external noise, ensuring a quieter ride. The rear section includes a dedicated area for wheelchair users, ensuring accessibility for all passengers. The large side windows allow plenty of natural light, enhancing the overall travel experience. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz Citaro Bus is available in different configurations, including diesel, hybrid, and fully electric variants. The price for the standard diesel version starts at around $350,000, while the hybrid model is priced at approximately $400,000. The fully electric Citaro variant, offering zero-emission transportation, is available at a starting price of $450,000. These prices may vary depending on customization options and regional taxes. With its cutting-edge technology, improved comfort, and commitment to sustainability, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Citaro Bus sets new standards for urban transportation. It is designed to meet the needs of modern cities, offering an eco-friendly, efficient, and comfortable solution for public transit networks worldwide. Stay tuned to MTV Auto for more updates on the latest vehicles.